Buongiorno a tutti. Thanks for joining me again in my little kitchen here in Lecce in the south of Italy. My name's Francesco, and today on my never-ending quest to make ends meet, I'm going to make a very simple lunch which is going to be a farinata, and that is a kind of flatbread that they make in Liguria from a batter of chickpea flour, water, olive oil and salt. Very simple but very delicious. You can also add some onion or rosemary traditionally, but what I'm going to do today is add a little bit more because it's going to be my main meal of the day. So I'm going to add some zucchini, red onion, rosemary, some chili and some grated grana padano cheese. So it's going to be a great flavorful flatbread made in next to no time. The only time that you need to invest is for the batter, which is simply chickpea flour and water, but it does need to sit. Traditionally, they do this overnight. They say at least 8 hours, but by my experience, I can tell you that 2 hours is enough. So that's all you're going to do in advance, and then the baking time is just 10 to 15 minutes. So I hope you enjoy the recipe. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, come back and follow me for more. Let's cook. For today's recipe, you are going to need chickpea flour, zucchini, red onion, rosemary, grana padano cheese, chili, and a good extra virgin olive oil.